did good, son.
It's man.
Break them hoes, rag clean, smoke your dope. Break them hoes, rag clean, smoke your dope. Break them hoes, rag clean, smoke your dope.
Everybody tryna say me, what the fuck is that we're saying? Touch that holy water, start to burn on like I'm Satan. You can never hate me like I hate me, that's a fucking promise. Beg my mom and dad for once, just please get honest. Walking around with my bag, knife praying to a glass pipe, chewing fentanyl, wishing that it'd be my last bite. Mentally I'm suffering, emotions that I struggle with, feeling that I'm not enough from trauma when I was a kid. I'm shedding tears as I'm singing this. Blow my head off and I leave me with a fingerprint. Am I everything you dreamed of me as a kid? Reduced to broken pieces just to play with as you wish. Oh, I'm so sick of fucking faking, taking medication. Only time I feel okay. Oh, just stay the fuck away, stay the fuck away, stay the fuck away, stay